Salvador SATA CRU unit user guide and deployment. To connect the CRU unit, you will have to use a USB connector and a SATA connector. The USB cable looks like this and it plugs on the Type-C end into the CRU unit. The back goes into the USB port. Second of all, we also have the SATA power cable. This power cable simply plugs around here in the back and it goes into the plastic casing identified on the motherboard. As you can see, the color might vary, but the casing will look exactly like this. Do the same and plug the power cord inside. Last but not least, we're gonna connect the CRU data cable. This goes on the back as well. Once connected, you will have these three cables connected to the CRU unit. Next thing you will need to do is register your company and download the agent. So we're gonna go into support.salvadr-tech.com and then we're gonna click on register company sites. From here, choose your company name. Our name will be test. Then enter the email, password, display name, how would you like to appear in the portal, and most importantly, the serial number of the CRU unit, which can be located on the sticker right here. After you have inputted your serial number, a user will be created and you can log in directly from here. From this page, we're gonna go to the download section. Within the download section, we have all of the agents versions that exist within Salvador. Whether it's an agent or agentless, 64 or 32-bit alongside with user manual, this is where you download everything you need to know about Salvador. Once you click download and the file is downloading, we're gonna hop back and see the file that has been downloaded. Simply double click on the file, choose your language, click OK. Then let the setup run for a couple of seconds. This setup is very easy and seamless. All you have to do is accept the agreement, click next a couple times, and the agent will do the rest for you. Once done, a new icon should appear on the desktop called Salvador Backup Recovery. Once this icon appears, all we have to do is double click on it and then the agent will launch for us. This is the Salvador agent in charge of backupping your CRU. What you need to do is click Configure Backup Settings. Then the system is going to ask, what is the source disk? The source disk is the local disk inside of my computer I wish to protect with the CRU unit. This is why, in my case, it's the Kingston disk that I wish to protect. Then I'm going to prompt the CRU into factory reset baseline mode. In order to do so, you're going to press the two buttons located on the CRU at the same time for 5 seconds. You can tell the change by the LEDs indicating a flash. Right now, as you can see, the baseline copy should be flashing. After this is set, the program is going to ask me what type of frequency would you like to have. In my case, I would like to have it daily. You can also use 2 days or weekly. I would like to have the backup daily done at 9 p.m. We suggest setting the backup time for later evening. That way you can have the whole data of the workday being backed up at the end of the day. Then click next. Click I agree. Input the serial number again of the unit. Then click Start Backup Now. The agent will run a full backup on the baseline drive. Once this is done, the baseline drive will be completely disconnected until you choose to prompt it again by physically pressing the buttons. Alongside that, the automatic backups will be done every day at 9 o'clock, just like I inputted. That means after this backup is done, the rest of the backups will be run automatically. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.